And they were an overt essential tool of the state, crucial for keeping up morale, both for the soldiers at the front and for the people back home. This comparison is just fascinating. Think about it. During the revolution, the goal was national unity, the key symbol was bread, and the message was spread through political pamphlets. Fast forward to World War I. Now the goal is civilian morale. The key food is the humble, resilient potato, and the medium is the powerful visual propaganda poster telling everyone to plant victory gardens. And get a load of this number, 600 million. That's how many liters of wine were rationed to French soldiers every single year during World War I. The government officially called it a vital necessity. I mean, wine wasn't just a drink, it was liquid courage, a taste of home, a core part of the French identity they were all fighting to protect. And that